Hello internet, this is Queen Nat here. So this is where it all started, where I made my first video. I think I got chased by a few magpies here. So I'm doing this video because just to celebrate my 100 subscribers on my channel. Really appreciate, and I would like to say thanks to people who supported me so far and just watching my content and enjoying. Really appreciate the support. Right, quick update guys, I think my longboard, I think this died on me. It's not working anymore. I only rode it for a few minutes and it won't turn on anymore. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like the first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Just like a darling, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with you steady. Open for plans tonight. No.